Welcome to how to make pie dough filling tutorial. This is part 2 to the last video on how to make pie dough. Make sure you go watch that. First you'll need to grab your apples. For the recipe you need 8, but if you have smaller apples like me, you'll need some more, and if you have larger apples, you'll probably need 6 or 7. Once you have all your apples, make sure to wash them, and then after just cut them up and throw them into a large bowl. And I'm just going to speed this whole process up. Now it should all be in a bowl, and now we can work on the sugar mixture. Add 200 grams of sugar, 30 grams of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of apple pie spice, or you can just add cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, cloves, ginger, equivalent to 1.5 teaspoons, primarily cinnamon. And then if you'd like, you can add a dash of coriander and cardamom. And that is it for the mixture, and I'm just going to speed this part up. Once your sugar and spice mixture is all done, just throw it into the bowl with the apples. Now toss and stir that mixture all together. Let your mixture sit for about 30 minutes now, just so the sugar can pull out all the juices from the apple to become more syrupy. And then now you can put your apples in your prepared pie dish. And also, I didn't have enough apples, but ideally you want your apples to create a mound. Once you add your pie dough on top, you're then going to add little chunks of butter underneath the dough, about 2 tablespoons. Then brush the top of the dough with an egg wash, just an egg and a tablespoon of milk. Now you can put it into the oven at about 375 degrees for close to an hour. Just periodically check on it, and if you see any brown spots that are getting close to burning, just add some tinfoil and you'll be good. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment what your favorite pie is. Thanks for watching.